Gusto daw niyang pumunta ng recrap.
May short ko, may short.
Ano nangyari sa short?
Ay, dahil yung short ko.
Hold mo kasi. Oh, let's go na, let's go na. Oh, oh. Wala kang two hands.
Yes.
O sige. Okay na, okay na. O yan. Oh. Be careful, okay? Asaan?
Ayan.
Asaan?
Art na yan.
Asaan?
Ayan.
Asaan?
Ayan.
Asaan?
Yung ka nakaulo pa.
Kadertas. Yan yung hapons. Ang ganda ng sky. It's so blue sky.
Ay, dali ka doon. Nanay.
Yeah, ayan. The leaves are dancing. Wee-hee-hee. Ayan.
Nanay.
Oo.
Nanay.
Naligo sila eh. Hey, we're going.
Dito siya, nanay. Dito siya.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Nanay. Dito siya, nanay. Dito siya.
That is an excavator.
Yes.
Oh, can you sing the excavator song?
Yes.
I'm an excavator. My excavator. Hey, we're going.
Ay, picturean mo ako.
Okay. What is the meaning of that? Let's go there. There's Giddy.
Oh, let's go there.
Ayan po, palubog na yung sun. Ayun, ang ganda. So, ayan. We're spending time here at the recrop. So, ayan, walking around. What are you doing? Where?
There, there's one. Oh, there.
Uh-huh.
There.
That's not a butterfly.
Oh, that's all.
That is a bugs.
Uh.
The bugs and the butterfly are not the same.
Nay, ako magbabawat sa'yo kasi ako maghihintay ka dyan sa akin.
No way, because it's dangerous to go down there because you will fall down and then it's so dangerous. You will get boo-boo.
Eh, saan ng tatay ko, nanay?
Uh-huh.
Ako magbaba doon.
Yeah.
Ano pwede doon? Ano
Yeah.
help niya sa iba?
Oh, mag-sing ka muna na excavator because I see the excavator right there. Hmm.
Ikipili doon.
Yeah. So, ayan. Ang hapon ng linggo. Hey, don't say like that. That's so annoying sound. It's not good to hear.
No, this voice is called loud noise. But I have a brand new sprunky. It's called his sprunky.
Kiss, Frankie.
Yeah. But I put some in the new color wall.
And then, ayan yung guwaba-guwabas.
And the whistle.
The whistle.
And then after you sing, it starts singing Simon.
Mm.
And then the can sing. After
Hey, you put up your shorts. It's coming down.
And the foot. And after the foot.
Gugo daw na ba tayo?
How would
How about we walk up above here. How about we go here, this way, this way.
I found something weird. I think the road is they're going to
Why the water is like that?
if it gets brown. That's why the tornado break. The
Okay. Masabit ka dyan, knock-knockers.
As yung kaya ko lang gagamitin ng childhood ko.
Oh, sige.
Childhood ko na play ang diyaan.
Hmm.
Diyaan. Tapos doon ako nag-jump sa'yo. Kanina ko ko.
Wow, ang linis. Look at that. It's so clean. This one is so very clean. Here. Wow, so much clean here. Hey, sige Ilyas, bala ka dyan. Guguwam na kami. Nag-dirty-dirty ka na naman. Kakaligo mo lang. Hi, singer.
Wait.
Why the two ladies going down? What they're going to do? They will throw something?
Is that a chocolate?
No, they're going to throw something.
I think
I
diamond.
think it's a kitten. They're going to throw kitten right there. Oh my.
No. I think they're throwing something. No, they're not throwing it. They're going there. I'll follow them.
They're chasing together. Have you said that?
Yeah.
What they're going to do?
Is this real cat? What are you doing?
They're going to hide under the bridge. Come on, let's go there. Let's check it. What they're going to do. Yeah, you get your toy.
I think it's nice. Okay.
Oh, come on. Let's walk.
Papunta tayo doon sa I think ko tayo baba para ano magagawin ng girl. I found it right here.
Where's the girls now?
There's a girl here.
Oh no, they're going to swim.
I don't know.
Oh my.
They're throwing rocks.
What? Oh, they're throwing stones just like you.
Yeah.
It's so much fun to throw stones on the water.
Us.
That is your favorite to do, throwing stones.
This winter, so sabi ng tatay ko, walang pagtatapoy na ng rocks. At wag yung shokoy.
No shokoy.
Linis ng...
Wala namang shokoy sa river, nasa ocean yun.
No, dyan siya nagtitira doon.
Saan?
Doon sa
Crocodile yun.
Meron pa doon shokoy.
Holo, anong itsura ng shokoy?
Meron siyang... ganito,
Meron ba siyang
malalaki.
ears?
Meron siyang malalaki, tapos ganyan yung ears niya mahaba like that.
Baka naman dwarf yun.
Meron siyang...
Duwende yun. Hindi yung shokoy.
And the one day, meron pa doon shokoy doon. Please, madami sila nakakabatay doon.
So much scary naman.
Yung isang batang doon siya nagliligo sa may tuhod doon.
Mm.
Matapos nakuha siya ng mas masasakit. Tapos nagpunta siya sa may tuhod doon. Mama niya huwag siya magpunta doon.
Mm.
Pero doon siya.
But the kid did not listen.
Ganon. Tapos nakakunin siya. At yung slipper na.
Sino may sabi?
Hindi na babalik yung bata.
Sino may sabi?
Nagpunta sila doon sa tubig.
Sino may sabi?
Wala nakita nga rin. Tingnan nila. Sugat. Tapos chinelas. Tapos meron pang message.
Ano sabi sa message?
I kill your oldest kid.
The end.
Okay, how about mag-race tayo?
Wag na. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Minuni!
Oh, you say, Kindly support our next video.
Try your own video. Picture me, Nanay.
Okay. What you're going to do? Ah, and then be careful, anak. Transformation. Okay, the end na. Bye. You make bye-bye na. You say thank you for watching. That is your wheels. And then, ano yun?
I see something clean. I see it.
You wear your shoe. Ay, naku, madirty, oh. Madirty. Magkakaroon ka ng bubo sa feet.
Halika na! I saw something clean.
Oh, sige. Let's go.
I just checked here. This is clean.
Yeah, we saw it already.
Wait, a road. I think it's useless. I think
Hey, come in. Let's go home na. Look, oh, it's so dark around here.
I saw something.
What?
Look, I found a road. So I took the kid, just tied it inside a tree. And then after, they go down and then clean it.
They're going to slide here. That's why they clean it.
No, they're using rope. Not slide. Mas kala sila
Where are we going?
somewhere.
I don't like go in here because there's a snakey coming.
That's a snake.
Yeah, the snake will bite us. Come on, we must go.
Ay! Anay! Hanggang snake nanay.
Oh,
Please, not snake. Anay! Hanggang snake nanay.
Saan mo nakita yun?
Snake nanay.
Ang noisy naman, wag na nga tayo mag-video kung ganyan lang din naman.
Okay.
Nagno-noisy lang. Oh, that's not good. Hey, Giri, let's go na.
Lanya ako nanay.
No, we go home na. So, ayan, we're going home. Thank you for watching. Oh, you make bye-byes na.
Bye.
Bye-byes. Bye-bye-byes.
Okay, ako magdadalan. Chris tayo.
Huwag na, magbababay na nga tayo. Bye-bye na.
Bye!
Bye-bye po.
Okay.
Anong okay?
Okay, nanay. Okay, mag-race ako.
Hmm.
How about, okay, magpa-play tayo ng racing.
Anong re-race natin?
Race tayo. When my friend don't say
Apa.
that means when
Thank you for watching.
Bye.